Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Todoist filters for overdue tasks. This is your complete 2025 guide. First up, open your Todoist app. The reason we do this is pretty clear. You'll need to be in the app to access and modify your task filters. Next, you're going to click on the Filters tab on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll be able to create and manage all your task filters. Now that you're in the Filters tab, click on the plus sign to create a new filter. Here's where the magic happens. We're creating a filter specifically for overdue tasks to help you keep track of tasks that you might have missed. In the new filter dialog box, type in overdue and then click Create Filter. This helps us because it creates a dedicated filter that will show only your overdue tasks. Now remember, Todoist uses natural language processing, so when you type in overdue, it understands that you want to filter tasks that are past their due date. This is what's happening behind the scenes that makes this tool so powerful. Once you've clicked Create Filter, your new filter will appear in the filter list. And voila, you've now set up a filter for overdue tasks. Let me explain why this matters. With this filter, you can immediately see which tasks you've missed, helping you prioritize and tackle those overdue tasks first. The last step is just to click on your new filter anytime you want to see your overdue tasks. By doing this, you're able to quickly and efficiently manage your workflow. And there you have it. That's how you use Todoist filters for overdue tasks. It's a simple yet effective way to stay on top of your tasks and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, stay organized and keep your tasks in check with Todoist filters. Until next time.